Did you know ginger can transform your health? Ginger is more than just a spice. It has powerful benefits. It can aid digestion, reduce nausea, and fight inflammation. First, let's look at digestion. Ginger can soothe your stomach. It helps relieve bloating and gas. A simple ginger tea can settle your tummy. Next up is nausea. Ginger is effective against morning sickness. Many pregnant women use ginger for relief. It's also helpful for motion sickness. Now, let's talk about inflammation. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can lead to serious diseases. Regular ginger intake may help reduce your risk. If you suffer from arthritis, ginger may ease your pain. Consider ginger in your meals. You can add it to soups, stir-fries, or smoothies. Next, let's explore some easy ways to use ginger. Make ginger tea by simmering slices in hot water. You can also grate fresh ginger into dishes, or simply enjoy ginger candies as a snack. Incorporating ginger into your diet improves your health. To summarize, ginger aids digestion, reduces nausea, and fights inflammation. Adding ginger to your meals is simple and tasty. Ready to improve your health with ginger? Try recipes and health tips you learned today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay healthy with ginger.